Spend a day with me. So this is my outfit of the day. Going to work today. Received this gift yesterday. So today a client is coming to the shop to collect the Rorashio outfits that I just completed making. So many shirts and a flower girl's dress and the bride's gown. Because it's weekend, there's no much to do, so I went for lunch at my favorite restaurant called Lunchbox, just near my workplace. Ordered some loaded chicken and cheese fries, and they look so yummy. Also had takeaway samosas for breakfast. Then went shopping with Miss Anonymous. Today I was craving lasagna, so I decided to add some ingredients to make one at home. Also, I was craving chocolate, and this is me looking for the most suitable chocolate for my craving, and I finally found what I was looking for. So this is what I got. Given that lasagna is an Italian dish, I had to get a lot of spices because today I want to try out this recipe. I finally got everything that I was looking for, and this is exactly what we need to make lasagna. It's a lot, I know, but why not? So all these are the ingredients. I had like butter, 3 different types of cheese, Italian spices, noodles, and so many other things. So this is how my chocolates look. They are assorted. I first made the meat sauce, grated cheese. I couldn't find bechamel sauce at the supermarket, so I had to make one using butter, flour, milk, and nutmeg. So this is me making the bechamel sauce. Then I prepared my noodles, prepared my cheese. I used 3 different types of cheese because I want it very cheesy and yummy. My bechamel sauce is ready, and I layered everything as it should be. So I checked, found it half cooked, and had to return it to the oven. And yay, finally, my lasagna is here. Craving sorted, successful day. Thank you for watching. Till next time, have a lovely day.